What if I told you that your body already knows how to fight cancer, but most people never give it the chance? Inside every one of us, there is a constant battle happening. Cells divide, repair, mutate, and sometimes they go rogue. But here's the amazing part. Your body comes equipped with natural defenses that can hunt those bad cells down. The problem is, many people unknowingly turn those defenses off, not with toxins or genetics, but with the food they eat every single day. And yet, there are certain foods that can actually help the body starve cancer cells, cut off their blood supply, and strengthen your body's ability to stop them from coming back. In this video, we will uncover 5 natural foods that do exactly that, and why most people never hear about them. But first, we need to understand the real enemy. When most people think about cancer, they picture a lump of bad cells that need to be removed. But deep inside those tumors is something far more cunning. A few cell scientists call cancer stem cells. They are like the masterminds behind the operation. You can shrink the tumor, you can attack it with treatments, but if even a few of these stem cells survive, they can rebuild the entire cancer again. That is why some cancers seem to come back out of nowhere. It is not magic, it is biology, and these stem cells feed on the same things many people eat every day. Processed meats, refined carbs, sugary foods, the typical comfort meals that make up what experts call the Standard American Diet, or SAD diet. According to the American Institute for Cancer Research, only about 8% of what the average American eats comes from truly protective foods. That means most meals are missing the very nutrients that help your body fight inflammation. But there is good news. Just as certain foods can feed cancer, others can starve it. And the first one is small, colorful, and deceptively powerful. Number 1, berries. Berries are not just pretty decorations on desserts. They are chemical powerhouses. Their bright colors, like blue, purple, and red, come from compounds called anthocyanins. These compounds have been shown in studies to help slow the growth of cancer cells in the digestive tract. Berries also contain antioxidants such as ellagic acid and resveratrol. These nutrients help block DNA damage before it turns dangerous. Think of them like molecular bodyguards catching free radicals before they can harm your cells. It does not take much to make a difference. People who regularly eat berries have shown lower risks of colon, breast, and oral cancers. The best part, they taste great doing it. Add them to yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or just eat them by the handful. Because every bite tells your body, I have got your back. But berries are just the beginning. There is a family of vegetables that go to war with cancer on a deeper level, and their secret weapon comes from sulfur. Number 2, cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, bok choy, cabbage, and cauliflower have been protecting humans long before science could explain why. When you cut, chew, or chop them, they release a compound called indole 3-carbinol. That compound activates your body's detox system, a defense line that helps break down harmful substances before they can damage DNA. Here is something fascinating. This protective process does not happen until the vegetables are broken apart, so the act of chopping or chewing literally switches on their cancer-fighting power. People who regularly eat cruciferous vegetables have shown lower risks of lung, breast, and colon cancer. They also help regulate hormones such as estrogen and stop precancerous cells before they become dangerous. These vegetables even help your body's DNA repair itself. They fix small mutations before they turn into something serious. While cruciferous vegetables help clean out what is already in your system, another food group takes a more direct approach. It cuts off cancer's lifeline. Number 3, fatty fish. Cancer does not just appear. It builds a system to survive. It grows blood vessels to steal oxygen and nutrients from your body. This process is called angiogenesis. It is the lifeblood of every tumor, but there is a natural defense: omega-3 fatty acids. Found in oily fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel, omega-3s help block the signals that tell the body to build new blood vessels around tumors. It is like shutting off the power lines that feed a growing city. Several studies have shown that people who regularly consume omega-3 rich fish have a lower risk of breast and colorectal cancers. Omega-3s also calm inflammation, that same silent fire that lets damaged cells multiply unchecked. Cooking fish is simple. Season it, Bake it or steam it. The goal is not perfection but consistency, because with every meal you are either feeding cancer or fighting it, and fish is not the only food that matters. Another group of ingredients has been quietly defending human health for centuries, and they might already be in your pantry. Number 4. Legumes and nuts. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and walnuts are far more than simple sources of protein. They are full of plant chemicals that defend your body from disease. Legumes are rich in flavonoids and fiber that act as prebiotics. Prebiotics are food for the good bacteria in your gut. When your gut bacteria are healthy, they produce short-chain fatty acids that calm inflammation. Those same compounds also help your immune system spot and destroy abnormal cells. Nuts, especially walnuts and almonds, are loaded with healthy fats and antioxidants. A large study of people with colon cancer found that those who ate nuts regularly had significantly better survival outcomes than those who did not. The healthy fats improved immune function. The fiber improved gut health. Together they help the body do what it was designed to do, defend itself. But the real magic happens in a place most people overlook, a place where trillions of microscopic defenders live. Number 5. Fermented foods. Inside your gut are about 39 trillion bacteria, a living ecosystem that controls everything from your immunity to your energy levels. When this system is balanced, it protects you. When it is damaged by stress, poor diet, or antibiotics, your defenses weaken. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut add beneficial bacteria back into your system. These probiotics bind to and neutralize harmful compounds before they can cause trouble. They also strengthen your intestinal wall and send chemical signals that tell your immune system to attack harmful cells. Research has shown that people with higher levels of a gut bacteria called Akkermansia mucinifila respond better to modern cancer treatments. And guess what helps that bacteria grow? Fermented foods, pomegranates, and fiber-rich foods like beans and avocados. Your gut is not just a digestive organ. It is the command center of your body's immune defenses. And the foods you eat decide how strong those defenses are. The truth is simple. No single food can stop cancer on its own. But when you combine them, the effects multiply. Berries, greens, fish, legumes, and fermented foods all work together. They strengthen DNA repair, lower inflammation, and activate your immune system. It is not about eating perfectly. It is about building daily habits that help your body fight back. Every bite sends a message to your cells. Eat the wrong things and you feed disease. Eat the right ones and you awaken your body's natural healing power. Because food is not just fuel, it is information. It tells your body what to do next. And the beauty of it is, change can start with one meal. A breakfast of yogurt with berries and nuts. A lunch of kale, chickpeas, and avocado. A dinner of grilled fish with roasted vegetables and garlic. Each meal builds your defenses a little stronger than before. So the real question is not, can food fight cancer? It is, will you give your body the tools to do what it is meant to do? Because your body is not the enemy. It is your greatest ally. You just have to help it do its job. If this message resonates with you, thank you for reading. Tell us in the comments which country you are from. And if you would like to share how you or someone you know is bringing more healing foods into daily life. Together we can remind the world that health starts on the plate.